Dymax line of MSK adhesives are single-component, solvent-free materials that cure with UV visible light in seconds. They are ideal for the assembly of breathing masks for airway management, respiratory support masks, ventilators, laryngoscope and tracheal intubation tubing, pulmonary ventilation, and artificial lung ventilation. Dymax respiratory device adhesives are environmentally friendly, meet ISO 10993-5 cytotoxicity approvals, and are compatible with gamma, ETO, and E-beam sterilization. The products form strong, tack-free, flexible bonds to a variety of substrates, such as polycarbonate and PVC, as well as highly plasticized plastics, UV-blocked plastics, and dissimilar materials. The adhesives are available in a range of viscosities to suit a variety of dispensing methods. Additionally, the on-demand cure feature of Dymax MSK materials means that parts can be assembled and adjusted as needed before moving on to the curing step. Finished components are cured in seconds with UV visible broad spectrum or LED light curing flood, spot, or conveyor systems. Many of the MSK series adhesives feature fluorescing technology, making them ideal for manual or high-speed automated inspection systems. When finished components are exposed to low-intensity black light, the bond line fluoresces bright red or blue to visually indicate that parts have been properly joined and to help safeguard against part failure. Some products are formulated with Encompass technology, which combines patented C-Cure and ultra-red fluorescing technologies into one product. The technology enables easy visual cure confirmation and post-cure inspection without the need for specialized equipment. The fast cure times also means no racking, stacking, and waiting because parts can move on to the next step in the manufacturing process. After inspection, the parts are immediately ready to be packaged and shipped. To learn more about our turnkey and custom bonding solutions for airway management devices, contact the application engineering team.